Hello everyone, our lesson is all about multiplying mentally proper fractions with denominators up to 10. To multiply fractions mentally, first recall the basic multiplication facts. Second, write the products of the numerators over the products of the denominators. Then simplify the products of the fractions whenever possible. Multiplying some fractions mentally, 3/4 times 1/2, the answer is equal to 3/8. Why? We're going to multiply 3 times 1, the answer is equal to 3. 4 times 2, the answer is equal to 8. 3/8 is in the lowest term. Another example. 1/4 times 1/3, the answer is equal to 1/12. Okay, 1 times 1, the answer is equal to 1. 4 times 3, the answer is equal to 12. So, we get 1/12 as our answer. Another example, 1/5 times 1/6, the answer is equal to 1/30. Okay, 1 times 1, the answer is equal to 1. 5 times 6, the answer is equal to 30. So the answer is 1/30. Next example, 2/3 times 1/4, the answer is equal to 2/12, or the lowest term is 1/6 or 1/6. Okay, why? Because 2 times 1, the answer is equal to 2. 3 times 4, the answer is equal to 12. Then we're going to reduce 2/12 to its lowest term. We divide it to both numerator and denominator. 2 divided by 2, the answer is equal to 1. 12 divided by 2, the answer is equal to 6. So the lowest term is equal to 1/6. This is our final answer.